Hello and welcome. I'm here to take up just a little bit of your time. A training is coming up at Omega Institute in Rhinebeck, New York, September 10th to the 15th. That the teacher would be me. The title would be Energetic Sensitivity. I would love to have you join me. What is in this week-long training? It is the nuts, the bolts, and everything else that I can deliver to you in depth about managing your emotions, managing your spiritual awakening, moving forward, and being able to help others who are energetically sensitive, help yourself with sensitivity, understand yourself and your drivers, understand the people around you and their drivers. It's really an up level to your consciousness. Consciousness. What are you noticing? What are you feeling? What are you sensing? How can you help? Where do you help? It's designed for the person who cares, who feels, who helps other people, who notices within themselves there's some things that they may or may not, you may or may not fully grasp, that are causing issues, repeat patterns, toxic relationships, um, sabotage. I don't have enough confidence, perhaps. I'm not speaking my truth. Um, Help me serve others in a way that empowers me, right? That kind of deeper work helped me move past a trauma or an issue that just keeps, I can't let go of these feelings. They keep coming back to light. What are they about? I don't know, but they live within me. So, just because you have experienced trauma or challenges in your life, just because you're not feeling like you're flowing, there's something that gets you stuck and get you stuck and get you stuck. And you may have all kinds of coping skills and distractions that you have placed along the way in your life to help you, but you still know at the end of the day there's something that really gnaws at you, that really upsets you. And you know on some level that going a little bit deeper, learning a little bit more, will provide you with the freedom that you need from any and all of the heaviness that you have taken on along the way, any of the heaviness that you're holding within yourself, within your life, within your physicality. All right. So, this training, energetic sensitivity, over the whole week really goes deeper into all kinds of topics, and it's vibrational. It's not so much intellectual, it's vibrational in nature. It's there as a soft place to land for you to really get the gist of what is going on within you, what goes on outside of you, the difference between the two, and how to release what keeps you stuck. I think without getting into too many details of this, I'm going to layer all this information. You're going to receive what you're ready to receive. You're going to release what you're ready to release. You're going to leave after a week and you're going to feel completely different. I can assure you of that. In a positive way, you're going to step forward in a positive way, in a new way, and, the world will continue from there, right? So it's about growth and development. Again, it's happening September 10th to the 15th at Omega Institute in Rhinebeck, New York. It's called Energetic Sensitivity. I hope to see you there. Take care.